My name is Gannon.
My name is Keenan.
My name is Maddie.
My name is Lizzie.
My name is Ella. My name is Grace.
And we are Summer Stars!
Our song is called Awkward Set.
The song's about knowing that you're not alone.
And you're not the only weirdo in the world. I love rock camp because you get to play in a band.
I love rock camp because it's inclusive.
I love rock camp because it feels like you're not alone.
I love rock camp because you can be with your friends.
I love rock camp because it's awesome.
I love rock camp because it feels like you're not alone and people together.
Rock camp makes me feel good.
Rock camp makes me feel happy.
Rock camp makes me feel awesome.
Rock camp makes me feel good.
Rock camp makes me feel rocky and campy.
Rock camp makes me feel like I'm not alone.
Yay!